Hey folks, Brian here, Bobby Combs RV, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. I know I've kept you waiting on the inside of this 2018 Durango, so here we go. We're heading inside. Hey, I know I've been keeping you on the inside video on this Durango 325 RLT 2018 model, but here we go. We're going to tango with the Durango today. We'll start off here. This has got lots of spacious living area. This is a rear living RV with triple slides. Entertainment center here, fireplace, television, huge pantry, lots of food, lots of storage. Coming on around here, nice big island, plenty of place for prepping food. Sinks down below there. 3-burner cooktop, 4-door stainless steel refrigerator, freezer, nice and spacious. Again, this rig just has a lot of storage, a lot of room. You can see overheads, storage here, places for coffee makers. You got a table, 4 chairs over here. Coming up here, we're walking up control panel. This is digital, no switches over here. Right on up to our residential style bathroom. Nice big enclosed shower with a skylight for additional headroom. And coming on forward here, you've got built-ins over here, built-ins here, nice big bed, air conditioning up front as well as in the rear. It's 50 amp service. This is going to be just under 37 foot and just over 10,000 pounds. Come see me, Brian here, Bobby Combs RV, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho.